How to clear data in Telegram. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can clear data in Telegram. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to clear the data of Telegram, you don't necessarily need to go to the app itself. You can basically head over to the main settings of your device. So just go ahead and open up your settings. After that, go ahead and locate this option called apps from your settings. Once you are here, you should be finding this option called Telegram. You can go ahead and look up for Telegram from this apps available from your devices. Go ahead and locate the option Telegram here and tap on it to open up this basic settings. So from this section, scroll down and go to storage first. And when you head over there, you should be finding clear cache. Including that, you should be finding an option called manage storage. Go ahead and tap on it. So when you do that, you should be finding this option called clear cache. Just go ahead and tap on it. And when you do that, go ahead and clear the cache. This opens up and you will be finding your storage being cleared. And if you want to clear the data totally, you can go ahead and tap on this three dot at the top and you can find this option called clear local database. So you can just go ahead and tap on it, and when you do that, your data should be cleared from your Telegram and you will be basically logged out of Telegram. You need to re-log in again. So that is it for now. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.